So students, let's solve this structure. So the first step is to find out the longest continuous chain, right? Then we locate the subsequent, right? And then further. So you can see here I'm going to start counting from here, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the parent chain contains 12 hydrogens, right? Sorry, 12 carbons. So parent chain contains 12 carbon, that means it is dodecane, right? And at the second position it is methyl group, and at the 8th position it is ethyl group, propyl group is present, right? So its name will be 2-methyl, right? At the 2 position there is methyl group, and 8 position the propyl group. So 2-methyl 8-propyl dodecane. So let's solve it. So the first step is basically to select the longest continuous chain. So I can count it from here. How can I start numbering it from here, right? Or can from here or from here, but I have to select the longest continuous chain, so I will start numbering from here, right? So let's count it. So you can see here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So after 11 I have two paths, right? This one and this one, but I will go towards this one. Why? Because if I will move to this one, so I will get longest chain. So it's a 12, 13, 14 and 15. So there are 15 carbons in the longest continuous chain here, right? Then we have to locate the subsequent. So you can see here, so at the 2 position, at the 3 position, this is 3, at the 3rd position there is ethyl group, right? And at the 6th position, 3, 4, 5 and 4, 5, 6, 6. So at the 6th position there is isopropyl group. This group is isopropyl. So this substitute is isopropyl. Then move towards. So you can see here this is 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So at the 11th position there is a propyl group. So what will be its name? Its name would be 3 ethyl, 6 isopropyl, 11 propyl pentadecane. Why pentadecane? Because there are 15 carbons in the longest continuous chain. So you can see here there are 15 carbons, right? So its name would be 3 ethyl, 6 isopropyl, 11 propyl pentadecane. Till now we have discussed how to make structure, right? But now we are going to learn how to make structure with the help of the name. So there is the name, which is 6-ethyl tridecane. So which means that tridecane is the parent and the 6-ethyl is substituent. Ethyl is substituent at the 6th position. So first step is to draw the parent, right? So the parent is tridecane. Tridecane means there are 13 carbons. So this is tridecane parent, and then the second step is to attach the substituent at the location. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So at the 6th position we need what? We need substituent ethyl. So you can see here I have attached the ethyl group here at the 6th position. So it is very simple to draw the structure with the help of name.